everybody. So I'm gonna eat dinner before I go to London Drugs, right?
Yes, because me and Danica is going out soon. So she wants to have a dinner a little bit early. It's 6 o'clock. So guys, she already started her meal. She already had some vegetable, but we thought we would like to show you the rest of her meal. Look, her meal. She has rice. What else do you have, girl? Chicken,
broccoli,
and pork, because she has sinigang. She already had some of the broccoli earlier, but she will gonna show you how good she eat.
Mama, can you start now?
Of course. Okay, 1 second, yung camera mahulog. Ay, teka. Ayan, guys. Look at Danica, how she like the pork sinigang. Rice and pork. Ay. Open the mouth. Is it delicious, girl? Say that's why Danica is looking healthy. Right, girl?
No, babe, better.
And then, maybe she also like fruits, right? Fruits and vegetables. Naku, may uga yung table. Lahat mahuhulog naman tong ating phone.
Mama, can you do the broccoli?
Oh, then eat the broccoli. Here, anak ko. Hi, boy.
Yeah.
What you having, boy? What? What? Oh, where you go? So, this one, look, McDonald's burger naman yung isa, But Danica is my, Danica is my Filipino food eater. Bite, anak. Look, Anak, look at your healthy sister. Hi, boy. Show. That's Nicola, the boy, right? Yeah. We're going out later, anak ko. You coming with us? We're going to the store.
Mama, look.
What you doing?
I'm making a hungry face.
Oh, okay. You're not coming with us? Okay. Oh, only Danica then.
I'm making the hungry face.
Oh, the hungry face. And look, Danica's going to eat some green beans. What a... Oh, Nicola, the Coca-Cola boy.
Coke?
Look at my Sise. And then Sise will going to eat some rice. Open. Nicely. Good job. And then Danica will going to have some chicken. This is roasted chicken. Lechong manok. Ayan. Very good girl. Oh, sinigang, anak, sinigang. Pork sinigang. Good talaga ang baby girl na ang 4-year-old girl. Is your friend coming back here? Gonna play again? But we go to the store first, okay? Okay. Chicken and rice with sinigang sauce. Sinigang Usually, she will going to eat by herself. But I am just feeding her because we're doing live. And we have to leave soon. Right, girl? What are we going to buy? What do you think we're buying?
I don't know.
You're gonna look around. Yung aking fork, 1 second. Ako. The pork. Good job. Not noisy when you're eating, girl. And then here, the sinigang pork. Open mouth. So, that's it, guys. That's it for now, okay? Say good. Mamaya, finish what's in your mouth first. Before you say bye, and thank you for watching, okay?
I don't finish all of it. And when I'm done, I'll say bye.
You want to finish, the food in your mouth first, right?
No, finish all of it.
Finish all of that. That will be a very long live.
No.
Oh? Good girl, good eater. Maybe some cantaloupe later or watermelon, anak. Or grapes. So look, Danica has a makeup because she and her friend, what did you do, guys? But
We put makeup.
Yeah. You have a girlfriend too, right?
Yeah.
She's also
Her name is
4-year-old.
Amber.
Yeah, she's a neighbor.
She was right beside my house.
And they put makeup. Look, oh, beautiful.
From my purple makeup kit.
Oh, okay. Ask the guys. Guys, did you like my makeup?
Guys, did you like my makeup?
Is it artistic?
Is it artistic?
Oh, ito, ano? Eat again. Rice is?
Like
Rice is?
life.
Oh, ano, chicken muna, chicken. Chicken again. O, sige, babay na muna.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Off ko na. Ay, mag-off. Off na po natin.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.